The Toyota RAV4 2025 features dynamic radar cruise control, an advanced adaptive cruise control system. To activate, first press the cruise control button on the steering wheel, typically marked with a speedometer icon. Once activated, accelerate to your desired speed, then press the Set button. The system is now active and will maintain your set speed. To disable the radar cruise control in the RAV4, press the cruise control button on the steering wheel a second time. Alternatively, gently apply the brake pedal, which will automatically disengage the system for safety. Ensure you are prepared to manually control the vehicle's speed afterward. Radar cruise control is an adaptive system that uses forward-facing radar to maintain a set speed and safe following distance. It automatically adjusts to traffic ahead, slowing down or speeding up as needed. This enhances comfort and safety, particularly on highways. The radar cruise control system in the 2025 Toyota RAV4 combines radar detection with vehicle speed control to enhance driving safety and comfort. The system uses forward-facing radar sensors to continuously monitor the distance, speed, and position of vehicles ahead. When an obstacle is detected, the system automatically adjusts the vehicle's speed, slowing down or speeding up as needed to keep a safe distance. The radar cruise control operates in conjunction with other Toyota Safety Sense features, such as lane tracing assist for steering assistance and the pre-collision system for emergency braking. The system is controlled through buttons on the steering wheel, allowing drivers to set speed and choose following distance preferences. While the system enhances safety by maintaining distance and speed, it requires active driver supervision and is not a substitute for attentive driving. The 2025 RAV4 allows you to adjust the following distance. Use the vehicle's infotainment screen to set your preferred distance: close, medium, or far. This setting determines how closely the system follows the vehicle in front. The radar cruise control system in the 2025 Toyota RAV4 includes important safety features and warnings to help prevent collisions. When the radar detects an obstacle too close, the system provides visual and audible warnings to alert the driver. Visual alerts appear on the dashboard, while audible beeps warn of potential danger. If the threat is imminent, the system may automatically apply the brakes to help avoid a collision. The braking system progresses through phases: initial warnings, partial braking, and strong automatic braking if needed. However, this system always requires active driver supervision and is not fully autonomous. Experts praise the 2025 RAV4's radar cruise control for its intuitive design and reliability. Edmunds notes it as one of the best implementations in its class, making long drives effortless without sacrificing control. User surveys also show high satisfaction with the on-off functionality. Adaptive cruise control systems are trending toward greater integration with advanced driver assistance systems, moving toward Level 2 plus autonomy, where radar combines with camera-based lane keeping for smoother highway merging. Future RAV4 models may feature upgraded millimeter-wave radar sensors with higher resolution and AI-driven algorithms to better handle complex scenarios like roundabouts or adverse weather conditions. This technology aims to further reduce rear-end collisions by up to 40% and enhance overall safety through innovations in multi-sensor fusion combining radar, LiDAR, and cameras.